Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to add new textures. In some cases, your required material may not be available in the list. This video will help you understand how to add your own material texture to the library. Select the material option and go inside it. For demonstration purposes, I will show you an existing texture from our current laminate library. You can refer to the existing colors here. Now, I will guide you on how to add a new texture. Close this tab. Then, from the top ribbon, open the texture option. First, select the folder where you want to add the texture. At the top left, you will see the new option. Click on it, and the Import Texture window will open. In this new window, at the top left, click the Import option. Next, select your downloaded image file. Please note that only JPEG files are supported. Follow the guidelines shown in the video. Enter the texture name in the given field. Below that, always select the decal option. Then click OK to continue. Now you can see that your texture has been added successfully. You can also cross-check the texture inside the Material section for your reference. Select the material and go to Properties. You can see your newly added texture visible in the same folder. Great! You've now learned how to add new textures.